Morning, the people, morning. Yeah, man, we're out here again this morning. And we are doing some boiled crab. What you know about some boiled crab? Yeah, man, some boiled crab in the morning. So we are set up the fire and we are show you the crab them and make you see what I go on. I think we are doing some curry crab. So we are show you the whole process, the whole 9 yard. Yeah, man, we come out of the sun. Come on, if it's too clear in the sun. But yeah, man, show you what I go on. Alright, people, so see the crab them there. Yeah, man, see the crab them there. And see the coal here. Coal red. Alright, over here, so come in with the pot. No. We're not put on the pot yet. Because we are going to ice up on the block then, man. That's too low, that's too low. We are ice up on the block. So we are going to get the black them, get the 2 black them, and we'll just put up on the 2 black them. Yeah, man. Round in the backyard, you know what I mean? Backyard settings. That's how low you put it. Put them for turn up, man. Oh, yeah, put them for turn up, man. Yeah, man, so. See, crab them there. Yeah, man, crab in a barrel, man. Them are shell them down, man. Crab in the barrel. Yeah, man, them crab there go get shell away. Yeah, man. I say, you put it. No, Daniel, understand, man. What? Turn over your black them, man. Turn them over on the side. Like so.
So you want to put them so?
Yeah.
So it, alright.
Yeah, man, that's how you put them, man.
That remember say talk up on the zinc and stuff.
Yeah, but me I say, but...
No, put up on the zinc.
No, man, you put it on the zinc, yeah, man. All I mean, better copy.
I think now go much.
No, man, let's put it on the zinc for extra security. Come here. Alright. See the paper. Thing up. The thing up. Yeah, man. So we put some salt in the pot, right? I put some salt in the pot. Where cover? Yeah, man. So, brother crabby them. See them? Brother crabby them I go get shell away. Brother crabby them I go get eat up. Look on the east of them, they love the bath. They will get eat up. Yeah, man. So, this is the first part of the process. So we will go upstairs and get some salt. Alright. So people, see crabby them there. Stick and stay with we. Meanwhile we mash down crabby. Alright people, so now we will season up the pot. Guys, the chef says she don't want her face be in the camera, so gonna try hard enough.
So man, what do y'all see here?
Not to.
Oh, this is salt.
Alright, so we start up with some salt. You know what I mean? Then what else?
Pimento.
Gonna put some pimento leaf in it.
To give flavor.
Pimento leaf is for the flavor, the chef said. And guys, the chef is my niece, but she camera shy.
But she a bad cook. She can cook, y'all.
A top chef.
Cook, yes. Rather can cook. And this is some fish seasoning.
Alright, so that's fish seasoning. Yeah, man, so fish seasoning gone in. Alright, guys. The aroma come out of it already mad, you know, because you see when she crush the pimento leaf. Oh God, man.
Alright. Catch your finger and you're done.
Daniel, hold, let's put this somewhere, Daniel. Yeah. Yeah, man.
This is some pimento seasoning.
Alright, so next in is some pimento seed. Next in is some pimento seeds.
Oh. Oh, so you put green stallion in it too. Yeah.
Alright, so in the pot again.
Jamaican style is never
Yeah, man. So we have put green onions in there. Green onions.
Turn the pot red and all the seeds.
Jamaica we call it scallion.
Spicy too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Jamie.
So
Hear that.
over here, so we have to do the real prepping of the thing. So we have the hot pepper them over there, so.
Yeah, and you have well pepper, you have about these half dozen pepper.
Yeah, man, you see the pepper them, you see the size pepper them.
Oh, so
Yeah,
you
man,
drop
a mad
the
thing, man.
So you drop the pepper in there with that.
Who can't manage pepper just now?
It's gonna be a hot crab.
They call it Jamie time over time.
Yeah, man, time. The same thing we call it up in America. Time, same way, time. Nothing beat time. Right, time in the pot. Lord Jesus. You know what I'm gonna put no crab in this pot, man. I'm gonna put some fish in it, man. And drink soup. People, they say they might take a good season when we say put in a crab pot. Oh, dirty frozen crab. Alright.
Pepper you put it in.
All of the pepper going in there because it gotta be hot. It gotta be real spicy. So what you put the two something of jerk season in there?
I'm not jerk season to them.
No, you mix
One
the
out
different-
season to the bone.
One the seasoning bone, one of the other one. Just like the Old Bay and then the other season we use the same thing they do. Sorry, Mr. Crowd.
And guys, she burst those peppers, so this now extremely hot. No play hot.
Yeah, no, I think I can never see. When I see, then I go like a sweet pepper.
No man. I'm gonna smell one of them there.
You see, it sound like a sweet pepper.
No man da. Smell this Earl.
Man, you mad?
About sweet pepper. He mad.
Yeah, but no. Yo, this have a well hot kind of, it's going on shell, you know. I season it now, you know.
Earl.
I see it.
Take your ass out.
I season it, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, in a that's why everything in it.
So you see the paradise there before?
You mean, man, you have to go in the shell, I suck up.
No, so you don't drink this water, man.
You see your friend Crab?
So you put it, me not understand, because I never bought crab before.
Crab.
So why season the water so much if you ain't gonna drink it as a broth?
Yeah, man, no,
Because this should be a good broth.
no, man, you season up the flesh of the crab right now.
Had to show Simone the crab.
Guys, I can't understand. I thought they seasoning up the broth. You know what I mean? Because this look like it would be a good broth to bust some gas. Man.
Wait, patiently.
Alright people, so we have dice up some garlic. Yeah man, cause you can't do the crab without garlic. You know what I mean? And guys, you can copy this menu. You know what I mean? Jamaican boiled crab. This is the Jamaican crab boil, low country boil crab style. You know what I mean? We not use no sausage and all them stuff. We use natural seasoning, everything natural.
So now,
So now we're gonna put some powder seasoning to it. So we have
jerk spice.
alright, so this is jerk spice, guys.
Mara.
Yes, so that's 1 spoon. Coming up with another spoon. I will give it a thorough stir.
Yeah, but it depends on how much crab you have.
Yeah man, and all this seasoning all depends on the amount of crab. Yeah, boy.
That 2 dozen crab.
Alright, so that's 3 spoon going on it. And you know the way we said 3 already. 3.
Stress.
Yeah man. 3.
Season to the bone.
Season to the bone. Pick it up. Alright, you pick up the Rolex. Yeah man, season to the bone. This mad.
It's having. What is it?
What?
Pimento seed.
That having pimento seed, just like the jerk seasoning. This is like,
the whole bone of the seed.
yeah, so this actually goes straight to the bone. So if you, any meat, chicken or anything you're preparing, you use this that season penetrate even the bone so you can actually consume the bone of the meat. You know what I mean? You don't have to spit it out, you don't have to disregard the bone. This carry you straight to the bone. The seasoning goes straight to the bone. So that's why they call it season to the bone.
That is it.
That's right.
I wonder how many spoons of that you put in there? About 4? 3?
Yeah, man. So, all right. So we put. Yeah. Yeah. So we put 3 spoons of season to the bone. I will put 3 spoons of jerk spice. And look on the pot now. Everything nice. Look on the pot. All right. So she come up now with some all-purpose to it.
So this is the Maggie, Jamaican Maggie all-purpose.
See it? Jamaican Maggie all-purpose. So guys, if you know come a yard, you know, and want some of them cooking here, you know, just reach out to me, you know, drop in the comment section, you know, and we'll put you on for the big chef, you know. No play thing, you know. Alright, so
You might just have to pour them in.
the Maggie all-purpose gone tonight, you know. Right now, I'm going to take a taste of the pot, you know, and see where it's going out, because the crab not in it yet. So I'm going to take a taste of it and see what I go on, because we put some cock noodle in it too. And everything, because once the crab them go in it, I don't have no lot nor part to the pot again. Alright.
Wash them off, I know.
Early bay with the crab. Alright, so everybody out with them toothbrush now. Them are gonna brush the crab. Them are gonna brush the crab them teeth.
Take off.
Daddy, what is that?
Uh-oh.
I'm getting the skin clean.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna brush the crab teeth. The crab that was in teeth brush. The crab nasty.
Because some people, what you do? Some people pop off this, and pop off that, and hold him out, you know?
Oh.
I don't like torture him still.
Oh.
Just let the water just take him on out. The heat. God, the leg is big.
Yeah, man.
Show them where they eat.
Yeah, man, so right now.
Show them their mouth. That's what they eat you.
Where?
Oh,
Oh, guys, so you see them mouth?
in there, 'cause that's where they'll claw you at.
You see them mouth? Yeah, man, so them say this. So I did actually think them eat with them claw. But
I claw them hand.
The claw them hand. I never know so the claw them, I don't think the claw them mouth. I gotta tell you. Guys, right now, he's one of the biggest crab man right now.
No, just pick it up. Like, no problem.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so
That's
the
it.
boss.
You got it.
I work on the crab, I brush them teeth. Somebody toothpaste.
Too bad. What is the dental department?
Yes, sir. Yes, guys, so I have to clean up the crab, them, you know what I mean?
So they have it very dirty.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Come pick up that because you know, I do want to put the cement in.
Alright, fans. So the seasoning continues, so we'll add 2 Grace cock soup to the mix. And you see it? So it's Grace cock soup. You know what I mean? Spicy. This is a spicy flavor. You know what I mean? So that one day have a little kick to it. So come on, let's go over to the pot. Alright, so we're going to add it to the pot.
No, we are not dash. We'll wait till it start bubble and then we'll put it in next time.
Yeah, man. The fire run, man.
How it's gonna run? You got a water hose to put it out if it runs?
We got this, man. Alright, guys, so how far we reach now the cleaning preparation of the crab them? Because we have to clean them up first before they boil. So how much more we got left?
You know what in the time?
No, they put it on the thing like this. They wash them.
They don't brush their teeth. Like American people don't brush their
They
teeth.
wash, but they wash them good because they put them in the thing like that and wash it. But our crab not like these. They're blue. I'm trying to get away here.
Well, I'm sure.
Pretty good.
He might have crab in a boy. He might have, you see Jeremy? You see him move? He might have left hand crab. You saw them move?
Yeah.
Give him Mark. Look,
They
Mark,
turn over
shoot over
by
there.
the back.
Mark, your eyes.
Back in there.
Fast.
Them bad, left hand crab. I don't know who the man. I told me no hold him properly. He can buy me, so you know.
You make him get it down here.
Yes, I slap over man.
Alright, people, the crab them a go on X. Crab them now, well, not orders.
Careful, Donald.
That one they can like it. Daniel, that little sitting there when you just can't bite him, man.
You know that
You pick him up then, Bennett. You know.
I don't deal with crabs.
Alright, you see one of the big guy, him can't bite, you know, Jeremy?
Yeah.
You just push your hand in a mid life like this, you know, like this.
Oh.
Yeah, broke me up, broke.
Quick.
Broke, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you cannot make me bite me, man.
I tell my boy, me give him all money and I'll be a Christmas.
Where's the people who can't problem?
We just say, my cousin,
Alright, so we done now? These finish?
Yeah, they're not finished.
No, but we can't start put them in now?
Just put that in the fan if you don't.
No, I can't touch them.
I'll get them in.
Mm-mm, no, girl, but me just afraid of crab. Cause them bite.
No, don't put, you pour the bucket in there. You pour them in.
No, I put them one by one because I don't want them to turn upside down.
Oh.
Alright, so we are gonna put them in the pot here now. And you have a particular way or you put them in the pot. You cannot put them on their back.
Boy, pick over.
They'll come back.
Yo, Early B, come do it, man. Early B, come put them on.
Just flip it over. All you gotta do is flip it over. There you go. Alright, don't go back.
Yeah, man, you can't put them on their back. Hold on, Daniel, hold on. So Early B, I can jump on them back there.
Like on the back of them belly. Them more
On his
pissed now,
belly.
you know.
Them more pissed?
Just dress it
That's
up
why I
in there.
did it early.
Yeah, them are not good. Sometimes them pissed, you know, Jeremy. Yeah, go on. Put him on the belly, yeah.
Alright,
Let him go.
on their belly.
I don't know if you turn over in there, you know.
Alright, so boy, let me know go to.
Yeah, man, it's season of the water.
So, that's your water better now.
And then the curry.
That water them was strong.
And the water tastes good, innit? Come just drink some while ago.
Boss, you know,
Some know some of the crab boil out tonight, that time it tastes good.
See him on the belly, yeah, man, see him. Yeah.
Piece of water go.
In PP?
That one they buy. Yo, some nothing you wanted, man, dog.
That's how we do. That's how we do waste book, man. We just put things out about waste book when people run with it, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir, I'm just a waste book.
A waste book, man.
Go left to cover. When if I can do it and go for I'll make money.
Alright, we'll come out with a massive one and now out of the bucket.
You want the next one, you know?
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
what's it? Is that?
Yeah, man. Them two there, I don't like a lover sleep. Them a both go to death. They all up by each other, them both go down.
Yeah, man, so I see Bobby like him sell Chinese, so I'm still them.
Must say so, you know, because me saying got crab bush last night. No, him sell me them.
In PP?
Me saying get a bag, yeah, man.
Yeah, more if you catch on my PP, because I never see
me cooking for
I
China.
never see crab PP yet.
Yeah, man.
They say the crab actually pee when the hot water hit him.
Put him in there, lift him up. Put him in there now.
Alright, that's two more going in right there.
Until in Lego.
Man, me a press the free guy. No, let it go.
Share this like
Yeah,
piece?
Yeah.
See my piece of Jamie.
Oh shoot.
The crab
In Lego.
Yeah.
In Lego.
Hey, Mr. Walter, fly your dime, man.
If ever you're about to start walking, you
What
know,
box?
The crab actually pee when the hot water hit him.
See my piece?
You get zoom me up.
Yeah, man.
Can you see this from the
Yeah.
Where my crowd go?
He's coming out.
That's a bad shit.
Yeah,
That
man.
your backside. This one they turn over, Marcy. But water going at them.
Make them spit out their fat.
Do you hear it?
That's what they say in America when they turn over like they just spit out their fat. It won't be no good. The meat won't be good.
Yeah. Well, guess what?
Have fun tonight.
All right, people.
And then cook a little bit more.
So what go on the crab there? Yeah, man, them a boil up. Mad thing, man. All right. So we'll give them a check and then rope in back on them in a little bit. Cover them back down.
So you put
Camera. All right. People, we go. Lift up
Put it
your
right here so
I'll put
Jeremy
it
in
right
front of
on.
you.
Eh? You have to put it on the ground first?
Yeah, we put the lift and put your gum. Yeah. All right.
You put it right where you there.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, because we'll take them out then.
Yeah, we'll take them out now and put them in that.
Drain up.
So, them boil. Ready, so we are go extract them out of the big pot and one. Put them in a little pot, in a little pan right there, so.
And then
People, if this water is a good water to drink, if you think this water good and rich, because I think it's really rich, just drop it in the comment section. You know what I mean? Because they don't drink it, but I think it's something actually can drink.
drink.
Yes, I think it can drink. And I say, the natural seasoning, you can actually smell it. But Earl, what I actually seen right now, like maybe during the boiling process, like they lost a couple legs.
yeah, so we have to get out the legs with the spoon and get the legs out. The bottom.
Okay,
Can't leave nothing. You
okay.
have to put it all in the pot.
Yeah. The legs are one of the nicest things of the crab. And it's something with them next to the shitty bag.
And you don't want
in
that
America,
part.
they actually call that the dead
The
man.
dead
I don't
man
know
in
what you call it
America.
here. Yeah, they call it the dead man.
Because it's shitty bag.
So you guys, you hear in Jamaica, they call it the shitty bag, where y'all call it the dead man. It's all shit, though. It's
Guys,
still
these,
stuck
these
together.
these are some monster crab.
The huge like aliens.
Yeah. Those two actually went in the pot together and they came out together.
And these are not sea crabs. These are land crabs.
Yeah, these are actual land
These
crabs.
are
guys.
land crabs, not sea crabs.
Yeah, man. This one come on orange.
So that one is pimento crab.
Okay, okay.
So that's a pimento crab.
And this is another
The
one
color
then.
of it. So the colors are different that make it a pimento crab.
I said the water it just smell nice. When I say smell good, it smell good with all the seasoning, all the pepper, all the spice.
Let me get the legs, all the legs out now.
Yeah, man, I think we should just knead up some dumpling and put in this water.
Dumpling. Going wrong, brother.
Spicy dumplings.
Leave it to Jamie.
Just hold, yeah, I was saying just hold that one.
Hot.
To follow Jamie, you'll be a fool.
I don't know, man. I don't eat crab, so therefore I don't know what. You know what I mean?
I'll show them how we get that. For those who can't know if you eat crab, show them how to get all the meat out of the toe. video you eat one of the two. Come on, come here, Daddy. You want a piece of the crab now?
And you guys, y'all want to see how they cook the crabs? Look,
That one.
look what they use. What is this they use?
A rim with
Oh,
coal.
this is a car rim.
Car rim, but our Jamaican coal is actually different from your American coal. We burn trees to get our coal.
Wow. We learn something every day, don't we, y'all? So you get the rim from the car tire. I don't know how they make the coal, but we just had to get some coals that we know. But anyway.
Alright, so we get out some of the meat out of one of the legs here.
Alright, look how early we extract the meat now. Tomorrow.
King Crab Man know how to eat the crab. Me, I don't know nothing about
That's
it.
the greatest crab lover here. Show if you eat the
Let me
crab,
see the crab, Mara. And you see the baby eat the crab. Mara, is it good? It's good.
Stop eating that crab!
Mara says the crab is good, you guys. No, I didn't get it. I know you're afraid of it.
Look at that thing got joke, man.
See the sweet when I okay, and see go so.
Oh,
It's hot, Mara, it's hot.
Let me. Oh, wait then.
Mara, you're touching the crab?
Mom said the crab good.
Come on, like this. I'm going to buy one base crab.
That you want. Alright, now dash this summer now.
Mara, leave the crab.
We go buy you too, eh? So
Well, yeah, that's something there.
Mara, why you love crab so much?
It's because it's nice. Show them.
Mara, it's a pepper.
What? Yeah.
Watch out, pick up the sim.
No, give one joke and go back.
Mara, talk to the people. Tell the people on the camera how good the crab.
Say, hey, crab nice.
Hey.
The crab nice?
Yes.
Alright, look for me. Hold on.